if you post properties on your social media pages, but after posting, you hear crickets, no calls, no DMs, no WhatsApp messages, then what I'm about to share with you in this video might be the solution you need to fix this challenge. You see, after seeing the flyer of your property or the video of your property, the next place every investor like to check is the property description. Now, your property description has one big question to answer. And that question, which is in the mind of every real estate investor, is why should I buy? That is the big question. Unfortunately, it is not everybody that understands how to write property description or listing description the way that it will appeal and answer that question correctly. Now, in this video, I want to share with you how you can write property description that sell. But before we make use of AI to write property description that sell, I'd like to share with you what makes a good property description. For you to write great property description, there are certain things that your description must have. Number one is the basic information. Now, in this basic information, we are talking about the type of property you are selling. Is it land or a house? If it is land, is it a commercial land or a residential land? If it is a house, is it a bungalow or duplexes? Now, we are also looking at the location of the property. We are looking at the size of your property. If it is land, what sizes? Even if it is a house, is it sitting on what size of the land? This is part of the things every investor wants to know. What is the price of this property? Then you get to title and documentation. They want to know, what title does this property have? If it doesn't have a title yet, okay, is it freehold? You have to state it there. The third thing is the terrain and access. Number 4, what is the estate or property features? This is a no-brainer. They want to know, what does this property come with? And beyond that, what is the future plans by the developer as it has to do with that property? And what is the future plans of the government for that location? You need to understand something. If you want to sell successfully, you need to arm yourself with product knowledge. You need to arm yourself with the knowledge of the product you are selling, the estate, and you need to arm yourself with industry knowledge, and you need to arm yourself with the overview knowledge of real estate. Now, what that means is that you need to be aware of what government have in mind as it has to do with that location that you are selling. You need to understand this. Number 5 is proximity to landmarks. Number 6 is marketing tone. Look, there are different kinds of marketing tones. There are excitement and enthusiastic marketing tone. We have luxury or premium tone. We have educational or informational tone, conversational, persuasive tone, professional tone, empathetic tone, or even urgent. Urgent is when people say something like, we have only 1 acre left in this estate. That is urgency. They are using urgency as a tone. So there are different tones that you can use to sell your property. Now that we are done with the checklist of what will guide you to write a compelling property description that sells, let me take you to ChatGPT to show you how you can actually put these things together and craft something great for your real estate marketing. So here we are on ChatGPT. Now I have my prompt written already. All I have to do is to paste the prompt and click on go, and we will start writing. But before we start writing, let me read the prompt for you. You might learn something from this. Now, I said, write a professional and compelling real estate listing description for a residential land located in a gated estate called Alena Gardens, situated in Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos. The estate offers stable dry land with 2 plot sizes available: 300 square meters for 40 million naira and 500 square meters for 65 million naira. The land has a gazette title and is ideal for residential development. It has direct access via a third road. Major nearby landmarks includes the Lekki International Airport under construction, Dangote Refinery, and Alaro City. I now went ahead and say, emphasize the investment potential due to ongoing infrastructure developments, price appreciation, and limited plots remaining make the description sound appealing, investment-driven, and suitable for both end users and investors. Let me add this. The tone, the tone should be, the tone should be professional, persuasive, and investment driven. Investment driven. That's it. And we're going to write our prompt. Okay, so let's start writing. Watch it. So ChatGPT will start writing our property description for us right away. I think it's writing it already. Let's see what we've got there. Okay. So premium residential land for sale in Alina Gardens, Ibejuleki, a strategic investment in the new Lagos. Of course, we agree that that side is the new Lagos. A lot of things are going there. Welcome to Alina Gardens, a premium gated estate strategically located in the heart of Ibejuleki, Lagos. One of Nigeria's fastest growing investment corridors. You can see now, this is the opportunity to own table dry land in a highly sought after estate surrounded by landmark development and future forward infrastructure. Okay. Property highlights, location, Alina Gardens Estate, Ibejuleki, Lagos. Available sizes, 300 square meter, 500. You can see all the things. You can see that it wrote this description very well, that it is easy for anybody to understand. It was clearly written such that it is easy for everybody to understand. Why Alina Garden is a smart investment? Can you imagine? So this is one of the ways for you to write catchy property description that sells. That's what I have for you in this video. Now, if you want to have that prompt, maybe you have any estate you are marketing and you love this property description, you want to get something like that, all you will do is just to remove the name Alina Gardens and the location, and maybe if you have other information you want to add, you can add it and then put it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate something bespoke for your real estate marketing. You don't have to start writing from scratch. Okay, check the comment section of this YouTube video. You will see something there that will help you to get this prompt that I use to generate this particular property description. That's what I have for you in this video. My name is Emmanuel Ejike. If you know anybody who is into real estate, you want their growth, you want them to succeed in real estate, take this video, send it to them for them to watch and also learn. I will see you in another video.